Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing our series of pattern therapy and we'll learn pattern number 2. Subscribe for regular art tutorials. I'm again using the same supplies that I have used in my previous video. I'm drawing a horizontal line and marking it after every fourth dot, so that it will be easier for me to understand how long do I have to draw this line and later on while joining the points. I'll repeat the same step vertically as well. I'll lift the pen after every 4 dots to create a dent or a very simple mark. As I've already mentioned, that drawing a straight line or being very perfect is not important. We'll complete our box by drawing lines on all the sides. Now our outline is complete. Next step is to draw vertical lines. Notice that I am drawing a line from every fourth dot. Repeat the same step horizontally. It would be great if you would not rotate your journal, your paper or your sketchbook. Try to draw while keeping it in a very static position like I'm doing in this video. Now we'll join it diagonally. So we are drawing diagonal lines. We are joining the opposite points of each square. By not rotating the paper, you are actually stressing your wrist and eventually improve your wrist movements. We'll repeat the same in the opposite direction. Now we'll draw vertical line passing through the intersection points of the diagonal lines. That means we are drawing vertical lines from every second dot, or we are dividing our previous square into smaller squares. We'll repeat the same by drawing horizontal line. Make sure the line passes through the center, all the intersection points. Our basic framework is complete. Now we will proceed with the pattern making. Now you will divide every section into exactly half. Now you can see it looks like a sun, or rays are coming out from a single point. Let's watch it again. You are dividing every triangle into 2 equal parts. We'll repeat the same step throughout our layout. don't worry about being it exactly half. We are drawing it freehand.